Ooh. Is that a cat on drugs?
My God, the cat rolls over. Holy shit! I don't think cats are supposed to do that. Holy shit! The hell? What the hell? What the hell's going on? Holy shit! What the fuck? Look at her drugs. You see that? She's gonna get more. Tiger. 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 Tiger, what's your problem? The fuck? Tiger, you're not supposed to be, you're not a dog, you don't roll over. Dumbass. Come eat some of your drugs. Right there. See that drugs? Cat drugs. That cat's just lazy and doesn't want to eat drugs. Let that fatty come back over here and eat some more. Look at that. The fuck? That's funny. She looks high. The fuck? WTF, man? The hell's your problem, Tiger? Come on, your drugs are right here. Right here, Tiger. Right here. Come on. Eat some more. Holy shit! The fuck is your problem? You're not a fucking dog! Stop rolling over! Holy shit! Oh no, I'm gonna go cry at my mommy and go lick myself. Oh, I don't want no more drugs. Those drugs are disgusting! And the fuck are you feeding them to me? You staring down the other cat? Well, that's been Cats on Drugs.